Good morning, guys. Happy 2025. So let's make some breakfast. We're gonna start off the year making some small changes that are going to help us get back on track to living healthier lifestyle, get some more nutrients in our bodies, and over time make us a lot healthier. We're going to start off making a super easy breakfast today, scrambled eggs. I have eggs almost every morning. And today, to get some more nutrients in them, I'm going to go ahead and add some cottage cheese to them. So I just started off scrambling them in the pan. You could go ahead and scramble them in a separate plate if you want to, but this is fine for me. I get them about halfway cooked through. And once they're about halfway through, I'm going to add, for these 3 eggs, I'm going to add some cottage cheese. We're going to try about 1/4 cup. If you're not used to cottage cheese or don't like the taste, I would say do a little less than 1/4 cup. You really can't taste it at the end. So if you've never tried cottage cheese before, go ahead and try it. Give it a try. So I'm just mixing this all together, getting it evenly distributed. And as you'll see in a bit, the cottage cheese sort of releases some liquid, and it makes the eggs a little watery. So I don't like my eggs watery, so I'm going to go ahead and keep on cooking them until most of the liquid evaporates. And once we get the eggs to the point that we want them, we're going to go ahead and turn off the stove and go ahead and get plated. So this is just one small step you can take to add some more protein into your diet. Let me know in the comments below what you like to have for breakfast. Do you stick to your usual breakfast, or do you like to change it up? Also, let me know where you're watching from. I'm curious to see what state or country my viewers are watching from. So here's how the eggs turned out. They look really good. They're nice and fluffy. They're a little creamy because of the cottage cheese. And they taste good. To me, they taste good. They taste kind of like when you add milk into your scrambled eggs, and also kind of like when you add cheese. So yeah, you would expect that with cottage cheese. So they taste a little bit cheesy also. And I'm not a cottage cheese eater, but I could eat these. I could do this. This is good. This is one way I'm going to be adding more protein into my diet. And today I'm just having them with some beans on the side. Added a little bit of cheese. The eggs don't need any cheese. I don't know why I added some, just for the video, I guess. But that's what's for breakfast today. Some eggs with beans. Thank you all so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. God bless you.